Hi, this is Keith with How to Build Your Own Home, and I want to show you a home that we just completed. You've watched this over several posts. This has been taking about 8 months to do. This is a Pioneer Home restoration project. A couple of comments I wanted to make about this. A lot of people are worried about cost. How much does it cost to build a new home? Well, I love rehabbing existing older homes, especially homes with a lot of property like this one and a lot of potential. I will put some comments and some other information in the description below, costs that it took to finish this off. But if you recall, we had a foundation issue. Inside the home, all the floorboards were completely rotted out. I mean, completely rotted out. So we made a really good call to fill that up with 2 feet of slurry, which is kind of a really thick concrete that they use for roads and whatnot. And then we did a 3.5-inch slab with rebar to tie in the whole thing. That was the big issue. That was the big chunk of the money to solve for that problem. If we didn't do that, this would have been a bladed home. But we didn't have the money to blade this and build a new home. So we had to use the existing structure. That saved the home. Then we put a roof on it, painted it, and we did a whole new complete remodel on the inside. And then we had one touch on this. I did some windows on this with a red trim with a wood fascia on the inside that really kept the classic Pioneer look of the home. And we did a recessed shower, so we didn't have a lip to have to step over the shower. We were able to solve a lot of things and make some neat things happen. So walk through the home, check it out. This is the Pioneer Home project in Pine Valley, Utah, just completed.